Good afternoon, students. Last class we can discuss exercise 8.3 up to 6 sums. Okay. Today we can continue the 7th sum. See, what is the 7th sum? See, show that the vectors, here given 3 vectors. Since the triangle having 3 sides, so form a right angle triangle. So given 3 sides vectors, you can take the 3 sides vectors, small a vectors. The first vector is small a vectors. So what is the a vector? Minus I vector, minus 2j vector, minus 6k vector. What is the next vector? B vector is equal to 2i vector minus j vector plus k vector. What is the C vector? Minus I vector plus 3j vector plus 5k vector. First of all, we can show that it is formed a triangle. Next, we can show that it is a right angle triangle. So what is the condition for form a triangle? Means a vector plus b vector plus c vector equal to 0. What is the reason? Means in triangle ABC, the 3 sides AB plus BC and CA. So AB vector plus BC vector plus CA vector, we can get A to A vector. So that is a to A vector means that is a null vector, that is a 0 vector. That's only you can get A vector plus B vector plus C vector equal to 0. So if you add this means minus I plus 2j minus I. Minus I minus 2i minus 2i plus 2i equal to 0, like that j term and k term. So if we add 3 vector means we get the answer is 0 vectors. Therefore a vector, b vector, c vector form a triangle. Next right angle triangle. If a right angle triangle means any one of the angle is 90 degree. 90 degree means is a dot product is 0. So you can see a vector dot b vector means we never get 0. What's the reason? Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. This minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Minus 6 into 1 minus 6. We get the answer is minus 6 only. So you can take the b vector dot c vector. See, my 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, 1 into 5 5. So we get the answer is 5. Therefore b and c are perpendicular. Therefore it's a form a right angle triangle. Okay, next problem. Sum number 8. The given modulus of a vector, modulus of b vector, modulus of c vector. See, modulus of a vector equal to 5, modulus of b vector equal to 6 and modulus of c vector is equal to 7. So the given the triangular conditions. A vector plus b vector plus c vector equal to null vector, 0 vector. Find the value of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot e. First of all, you can take the given conditions. A vector plus b vector plus c vector equal to 0 vector. We can taking squaring on both sides. Then a vector plus b vector plus c vector whole square equal to this is 0 vector square. Already you know very well in lower class a plus b plus c whole square formula. So what is the a plus b plus c whole square formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Like that you can write here vector form. So a vector square plus b vector square plus c vector square plus 2ab means 2a dot b, 2b dot c, 2c dot a equal to 0. Now we can take some modulus of a vector square plus modulus of b vector square plus modulus of c vector square, and 2 is common for three dot products, a dot b, a vector dot b vector plus b vector plus c vector plus c vector dot a vector. If we take a 2 is common. Now we can substitute the value. What is the modulus of a? 5 only, no? This is 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus 2 a vector dot b vector dot c vector plus c vector dot a vector equal to 0. So we get the answer is C. 25 plus 36 plus 49. If I add this means 110 will come this side means minus 110. Here we can get 2 divided by minus 110 divided by 2 means 55. So the answer is minus 55. So what is the answer? A vector dot b vector plus b vector dot c vector plus c vector dot a vector value is minus 55. First of all, take the condition, squaring on both sides, using a plus b plus c formula, whole square formula. Now we can substitute the value. After simplification we get the answer. The next sum, show that the points given 3 points. If 3 points means we can take the position vectors. OA vector, this is a OB vector, this is a OC vector. What's the OA vector? OA vector is equal to 2i vector minus j vector plus 3k vector. What is OB vector? 4i vector plus 3j vector plus k vector. What is OC vector? 3i vector plus j vector plus 2k vector, or collinear. What is the condition for collinear? One vector is equal to some scalar times of another vector means that's a collinear. Suppose if you have to prove AC vector is equal to some scalar times of AB vector. Okay, in this problem do it yourself. How to find AB vector? AB vector means OB vector minus OA vector. What is AC vector? AC vector means OC vector minus OA vector. Okay. The next problem, if A vector and B vector are unit vector and theta is the angle between them, show that the first problem, sin theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of A vector minus B vector. See, in this problem you have to know the trigonometry formula. Okay, suppose there is a 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A means 2 sin square A by 2. What's the formula? 1 minus cos A equal to 2 sin square A by 2. Suppose they are given 1 plus cos A means 1 plus cos A, 2 cos square A by 2. Plus means cos square, minus means sin square. 1 minus cos A is 2 sin square A by 2. 1 plus cos A equal to 2 cos square A by 2. Do you understand or not? Only differ only plus or minus. 1 minus cos A equal to 2 sin square A by 2. 1 plus cos A is equal to 2 sin square, 2 cos square A by 2. 1 plus cos A. See, now we can take A vector and B vector are unit vector. So if you what is the condition for unit vector? The modulus value is 1, that's only called a unit vector. So A and B are unit vector, means modulus of A vector modulus of B vector equal to 1. We can take A minus B whole square formula, since they are asking A minus B only, no. So A minus B whole square means A square plus B square minus 2AB. Here is the vector form. A vector minus B vector whole square equal to A vector square plus B vector square minus 2A vector dot B vector. So A minus B, A vector modulus of A vector minus B vector whole square equal to modulus of A vector square plus modulus of B vector square. What is the definition of A vector dot B vector? Modulus of A vector modulus of B vector cos theta. See, if you write A vector square modulus of A vector square, both are same only. If you are writing simply A square is also same only. Okay, see, modulus of A square means 1 square plus 1 square minus 2, 1 into 1 cos theta. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2 cos theta. The 2 is common, so 2 into 1 minus cos theta, that is, what is the formula for 1 minus cos A? 2 sin square A by 2. Here 1 minus cos theta, it can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2. So that is a modulus of A vector minus B vector whole square equal to 4 sin square theta by 2. Taking square root on both sides, we get is the square root of A vector minus B vector modulus of A vector minus B vector whole square equal to the square and the square root is cancelled. Here you can taking square root means, so square root of 4 is 2. So sin square theta by 2, we get sin theta by 2. You understand or not? It's a very important problem. You can see. See, like that, the next problem, only see A plus B. See, A vector plus B vector modulus of. In the result, we can get cos theta by 2. So we can take A plus B whole square formula. So A vector square plus B vector square plus 2A dot B. So A vector square can be written as modulus of A vector square. B vector square can be written as modulus of B vector square. What's the definition of A vector dot B vector? Modulus of A vector modulus of B vector cos theta. A and B are unit vectors. So A vector and B vector are unit vector. What is the condition for unit vector? The modulus value is 1. So that is 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 into 1 cos theta. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 cos theta. See, 2 is common. So 1 plus cos theta. Already I told you, 1 plus cos A means 2 cos square A by 2. So 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. So this is A plus B, A vector plus B vector whole square. That means modulus of this. C equal to 4 cos square theta by 2. Taking square root on both sides, we get this answer. The 2 come this side means we can get 1 by 2 modulus of A vector plus B vector equal to cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2. Let's continue the tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2 is equal to modulus of A vector minus B vector modulus of A vector plus B vector. Already you know very well what is the modulus of A a vector minus b vector. Sin theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of a vector minus b vector, and cos theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of a vector plus b vector. Suppose you can take this equation is 1 and 2. If we divided by this, we get, see what is modulus of a minus b? 2 sin theta by 2. What is modulus of a plus b? 2 cos theta by 2. 2 is cancelled. Sin by cos, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta by 2. Okay, so that is answer. We are asking tan theta by 2 value. Already you know sin theta by 2 value, 1 by 2 modulus of a minus b. Already you know very well. Cos theta by 2, 1 by 2 modulus of a vector plus b vector. If we divide by this, sin by cos, we get that tan theta. Okay. See, you can revise all the problems. After seeing the video, we can send the message, I saw the video, sir. Okay, I saw the max video, sir. You can all report that the attendance report means you must mention the subject. If you see max video means I saw max video, sir. If you see physics video means I saw physics video, miss. Chemistry and botany, zoology, every subject you can report like that. All teachers are having attendance, so all teachers are taking attendance every day. Okay, so see carefully all the videos and do the assignments. If you do the assignment means you can send the assignment teacher's personal number. Okay, after send the teacher's personal number, we can report the task completed by the class group. Send the message, task completed. Okay, now we can discuss about up to 10 sums. You can save problems is there in example, so you can see the example problems and do it yourself. If you are having any doubt means ask me. That's okay. Now you can continue the next problems. Sum number 11 is in next class. Okay, thank you very much.